Hi everyone, this is my 1996 model Toyota MR2 Turbo that I bought it 3 years ago. I took the motor out last time I was here in Japan and I'm back here again. It's been 6 months, but now I have time to work on it a little bit more. I have spare motor to put them in this car. I'll see how's it gonna go. If I have time, I try to complete the project. I'm still in the process of gathering the parts, so do as much as possible when I'm here. So stay tuned. It has quite a bit of upgrade. Obviously motor is gone for now because I took them out. It had like aftermarket adjustable suspension. And also aftermarket exhaust system and some body kit to it. So the MR2 has a little bit of paint damage on the roof and on the hood. So the clear is gone on some part. So I just need to repaint the roof and the bonnet. That's about it. Overall, it looks still nice, quite straight as well. So this is MR2 from the side view. Looks quite decent. It's gonna be fun car if you put like after I get things done to put it together and all. If I wanted to take it to New Zealand, then yeah, a lot of times it can't be wrecked or one of those things. It's quite strict over there. So buddy of mine doing the body shop, so I'll take it over there and see what he can find out about like what repairing history. Yeah, when it comes to that, I'm not an expert, so I don't know much about it. I see how it's gonna go. But for now, just get it running. All the rubber hoses, change it to new one, clutch new one. Just the basic maintenance to get the car going. So it's gonna be like what fun truck car in the future.